Want to know how to become a mortgage loan originator in Arizona? Here's a step-by-step guide for Arizona MLO licensing. Step 1. Start and complete an NMLS-approved mortgage loan originator course, plus our 4-hour Arizona MLO laws course. You'll also need your NMLS ID number, which we can help you obtain as part of our registration process. Step 2. Pass the NMLS exam. Step 3. Submit your MLO application on the nationwide multi-state licensing system and registry website. Finally, you can start working independently for a mortgage broker or mortgage banker originating residential loans. Visit 24houredu.com to start now or call us today at 888-405-4453. We have everything you need, plus our exam prep package is included free.